Yes, Jeff Bezos will step down as CEO of Amazon, and if you want to know what that means for you as an investor, or simply want to know if you should buy or sell shares right now, that and other things I will explain in this video, so stay tuned. Hi folks, this is Björn from Becoming Financially Independent, where I will help you to understand more about finance so you can make sound financial decisions by yourself. I will upload practical videos every week about personal finance, saving and investing. So consider subscribing. The founder of Amazon hands over the chairmanship to Andy Jassy. Despite his withdrawal, Bezos does not want to retire. It's a spectacular change in leadership. Jeff Bezos, one of the Americans' most prominent chief executives and one of the richest people in the world, is leaving his post at the helm of Amazon.com. The online retailer announced this surprisingly on Tuesday, yesterday, when it presented its quarterly figures. He will be replaced by Andy Jassy, who is currently leading the group's high-growth cloud computing business in the Amazon Web Service division, and who has been a potential successor to Bezos for quite some time right now. The change in leadership should take place in the third quarter of this year. 57-year-old Bezos does not want to retire at Amazon and also in the future to remain executive chairman of the board of directors. In a message to the Amazon workforce, he said, "I never had more energy. It's not about retiring." Bezos said he wanted to stay involved in the important Amazon initiatives. His resignation as CEO will enable him to spend more time and more energy on various other projects. He named the space company Blue Origin, which he founded alongside Amazon in 2000, the newspaper Washington Post, which he bought in 2013, and his two charitable initiatives. Bezos said being CEO of Amazon is a huge responsibility and leaves little room for anything else. So I can understand why he does this step. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon in 1994 and is a pioneer in online retail. He quit his job as a computer specialist at a New York hedge fund, drove then to Seattle and started selling books online from a garage. He did not limit himself to books for long, and over the years turned Amazon into a universal store that leaves little to be desired. Beyond online trading, Amazon has built a wide range of other activities. The group sells its own electronic devices, operates video platform that competes with Netflix, and is increasingly venturing into stationary retail as well. Thanks to Amazon, Bezos has become the richest person in the world. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, he is currently with a fortune of $188 billion, slightly behind Elon Musk, the CEO of the electric car manufacturer Tesla, who comes to $190 billion, as you can see over here. Bezos' recognition comes at a time when Amazon is doing well. The online retailer is considered one of the biggest winners in the corona crisis. He now reported a 44% jump in sales to $125.6 billion in the final quarter of 2020. It was the first time Amazon had exceeded the $100 billion in revenue in a single quarter for the full year. Sales rose 38% to $386 billion. Last year alone, the group expanded its workforce by 500,000 to almost 1.3 million employees. The new CEO, Andy Jassy, has been with Amazon since 1997. The 52-year-old manager played a key role in the building up AWS, Amazon Web Service, which is the biggest leading cloud infrastructure worldwide and becoming increasingly important for the group. and is also one of the most profitable activities. As you can see on the slide, Amazon's most revenues come from the online stores with 50% as of last year's second quarter, and AWS had 12.8% with $21 billion. But in the fourth quarter 2020, the business had 45 billion in sales and contributed more than half of the operating income. Bezos wrote in his communications, "Andy has been on Amazon's almost as long as I have. He will be an outstanding leader and he has my full confidence." As you can see, the change in leadership did not cause a major shock in the stock exchange. Amazon's share price rose slightly in the after hours trading, which should also have something to do with the better than expected numbers. In the past 12 months, the price has risen by almost 70% and the company is currently valued at 1.7 trillion on the stock exchange. But what that means for us? You should not look at the PE ratio if you want to evaluate Amazon's business and then think, Jesus, they are way too expensive and overvalued. No. Amazon was or is always overvalued. More importantly, look at the free cash flow, which is consistently growing even more right now due to the corona pandemic. With the new CEO and focus on the AWS, Amazon Web Service, I think Amazon has here the most growth potential within the next years if correctly done. But Amazon will not grow that fast like in the last years, and its competitors already next door like Walmart, who grow way faster. Therefore, with the current price of $3,368.49 per share, I would not buy any shares right now. And if you have a position, I would hold to it. And if you want to buy some shares, I would wait for another better opportunity like in 2018 or beginning of the pandemic if the trend goes down. That's it for today. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, focus and don't get greedy. See you next time.